Hi guys, good morning. So today is a very exciting day. Mayroon kaming pupuntahan ngayon, a very special one guys. So pupunta kami sa Richmond Olympic Oval, right? Yan, kasi guys merong karate tournament today. So pupunta kami as a family para din support doon sa aming dojo. So samahan nyo kami guys na mag-enjoy today at manood ng tournament. Okay? So pero bago yan, bibili muna tayo ng breakfast. Yay, McDonald's. Yan ang breakfast namin ngayon guys. Kakain muna kami ng McDonald's. Sa kotse na kami kakain kasi ayaw naming malate. And we have the food. Kain na kami sa car guys.
Go!
Bago kami pumunta ng event. Let's go!
A few inches later.
Here we go. Dito na kami guys. Richmond Olympic Oval. Dito gaganapin guys yung Karate Championship dito sa Canada. Yeah, manonood kami. There, British Columbia. Alright. Laki pala nito guys. Yan oh. Nice. Yun. Mga ganyan, no? Nice. Nandito na kami sa oval, guys. Ang laki pala nito. Oh, may basketball. Doon kami sa kabilang area. Guys, magsisimula na. Wow. Nakaka-exciting yung feeling. Sarap din yung feeling ng tournament kasi talaga guys. Amazing. There we go. Let's go BC. So habang nag-edit ako nitong aking video guys, bigla akong na-miss yung mga times na nag-tournament ako sa Philippines, no. Kaya guys, i-share ko sa inyo yung huling tournament ko bago ako huminto dito sa pinakamamahal ko na sports na ito. This was 20 plus years ago guys. So maraming salamat pala dun sa father ko na walang sawang nag-take ng mga videos, no, at na-compile niya talaga at na-record niya yung mga memories na katulad nito. So, sabay-sabay nating panoorin guys, and I hope na mag-enjoy din kayo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do is so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I'm gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that